sa boyfriend o girlfriend mo noon. You see, yun ang kailangan mong gawin. Replace that love. Hayaan mong mahalin ka ng ibang tao. But ultimately, you need to get love from God. Why? Because God's love for you is unending. It's unconditional. At kahit kailan, hindi mauubos ang pag-ibig ng Diyos para sa iyo. You see, ito lang take note. When I'm talking about replace that love, huwag ka basta-basta magpupunta, jump to another relationship. Bakit? Baka maging rebound relationship lang yon. At kung hindi ka pa healed, it will just destroy you. But you see, you can get that love from the people around you, especially the ones who are close to you. So, to sum it up, you need to change your preoccupation in your mind, change your habits, change and replace the lost love that you have. You see, if you come to think of it, it's all about preoccupation. You see, your ex has taken space in your life, in your heart, in your mind.